In this video, we are going to find integers x and y satisfying this equation, which is 43x plus 64y equals 1. We will do so by using the Euclidean algorithm. Okay, so now we will start with 43 and 64. So we will divide 64 by 43. So the quotient should be 1 and the remainder must be 19. Okay, 64 minus 53. 21, sorry. The remainder must be 21. And next, we divide 43 by 21. We're going to have 43 equal 21 times 2. And we will have 44 minus 43, and the remainder must be 1. And then we gotta have 21 divided by 1. And the quotient turns out to be 21. And that's it. So the last remainder is 1. That means that according to Euclidean, by Euclidean algorithm, what do we have? The greatest common divisor of 43 and 64 is 1. And then we are trying to find integers x and y satisfying this equation. So we start from this equation. So we start from 1, which is 43 minus 21 times 2. And then we write 21 in terms of 64 and 43. Then we gotta have 43 minus. Okay, minus which one? 21 is 64. 64 minus 43 times 1 and times 2. And we distribute minus 2 into this term. So we gotta have 43 minus 64 times 2 plus 43 times 2. Then we gotta have 43 times 3 plus 64 times 2. Okay, so I think it should be this one. So let's try to rewrite it. Try to calculate this one, and we're going to try to check that 43 times 3 plus 64 times minus 2 is actually 1. So 43 times 3 is 129 minus 128, which is 64 times minus 2, and is actually 1. Okay, so we have 43 times 3 plus 64 times minus 2 equals 1. That means that x can be 3 and y can be minus 2. Okay, so this is what we have right here. We have x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 satisfying this equation. And that's it for this video.